Hello, this is Elena Marie, and I am back with another video for you guys. If it's your first time here, welcome. If this is not your first time here, welcome back, and I'm glad we're able to kick it with each other once again. So today we have another design with me / tutorial video, and this one is going to be some cute little dainty earrings celebrating still. And now we have entered, by the time you see this video, we have entered into the month of love. That's right, Valentine's Day. So you already know I've been psyched about doing designs specifically catered to Valentine's Day. So yes, we're going to have some nice little earrings. They're going to be a little different how I envision it, but I hope it comes out right, and I hope you guys like it. I hope I like it. But it's just very simple, not even that long of a tutorial, guys. It's very quick, very easy. It's just a little different by how I'm envisioning putting, the pieces together. But yeah, I'm really excited about making these pieces. So if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I do a lot of jewelry designs, and occasionally I do some vlogs. So if you're interested in that type of content, don't hesitate to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. So that's all I'm going to say right now. You already know the routine. I'm going to flip the screen and we're going to go into the designing board, the gray designing board at that. So let's go ahead and get these earrings started, huh? See you at the board. Okay, so we're at the gray mat, as you can see. So I'm going to go ahead and get started and show you what we're going to be using today to make these beautiful Valentine's earrings. Okay, the first thing we're going to be using, we are going to be using this beauty here, these heart charms, these heart metal charms that I got from Michael's. You guys saw me use this, show you guys in one of my Michael's haul. These are just too cute. I couldn't pass them up. So yeah, that's one thing that we're going to be using for the design. The other thing that we're going to be using for the design today, we're going to be using these beautiful rhinestone charms, connector charms here. I got these from, I think these, Blue Moon. I got these from Joann's. I had these for a very, very long time, so I don't even know if they still carry these. So I'm going to be using the last two pink ones here, and I'm going to be using the red. I kind of want to do something with two different colors, but of course it's going to be the colors of love, because today, when you be seeing this video, February 1st, is the month of love. So I'm going to be using two of the reds and two of the pinks. Okay, so the other part of the design that I have, you have seen me make plenty of earrings with these, or you have seen some of my designs with these beautiful earring findings here. These are like my holy grail. I absolutely love these. I don't know what to tell you guys. These, I actually just bought another bulk from this Etsy shop, and of course I will leave that description in the box, that link in the description box below if you are interested in purchasing from this shop. I absolutely love their findings. I don't know what to tell you. They're just amazing. So, so anyway, you see me use this in gold, and of course you see me using it in silver, and I think you see me use this in silver. I think I made another earring set and I used the silver ones as well. But anyway, this is what we're going to be using as part of the design as well. So another thing that we're going to be using is just some standard ear wires here in silver. I do plan on buying some more different ear wires so I can kind of have some variation, kind of switch up the style a little bit. But for today, we're going standard here. And also, we're going to be using my head pins. You've seen me use these plethora of times. My Holy Grail head pins. I think I got these from Hobby Lobby. And of course, you can tell that one part already has the loop on there. And of course, my jump rings. We're going to be using the silver, of course. I don't know what size just yet, but I'm kind of aiming for this one here. And probably that one. So, and I got this from Amazon, and I will leave the link in the description box below. And of course, the tools I'm going to be using is my 1.5 looper that I also got from Amazon. I will leave that in the description box below. And my 2 pliers. It's going to help me move things around with designing and everything like that. So those are my tools here. And my cutters, I usually just tell you guys this. I probably won't use this, but probably just to cut that off of the string. But just want to show you everything that I'm using in the video, okay? Okay, so that is all that I'm using for this design. So you can get to see what the whole shebang is here. So without further ado, let's get designing. so this is the finished look. It kind of gives me like a rustic kind of vibe, like a rustic style of Valentine's Day. This is absolutely cute. I gave you a better close-up so you can see how beautiful these look. I absolutely love this. This was actually one of my good old friends that I met some years ago in college. She would absolutely love these type of earrings. It has like a rustic look to it, and it has the girliness at the same time. She would die for these earrings. But yeah, this is the look, and I absolutely love it. And I'm going to be rocking these very, very soon. All right, that is all that I have for you guys. I thank you so much for your guys' support. You guys are amazing. The Glam Jewels are growing, and I absolutely love interacting with you guys. You just make it more fun for me to make this content. I really appreciate all of the support and all of the likes and the comments and all that great jazz. So keep going, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And if you haven't done it yet, click on that notification bell so you know your girl always posting a video. Also, check out my community tab. I'm always posting on there. Keep you updated what's going on with my life. Give me updates of what's going to be coming soon. So keep a look out there. I always like to communicate with you guys. And I like you to, communicate with me back. So let's not forget about that community tab. Also, you already know what's coming. You can follow me on my other social media platform right here. That is my Instagram. Please go check it out there. We want the Glam Jewels up there as well. And that is all that I have for you guys. So I appreciate every single one of you guys. I simply do appreciate it. And oh yeah, the links to what I can give you will be in the description box. Of course, I can give you the links for the earring findings, the jump rings, and what else? Oh, yeah, in these here. I think Michael still have them. I'm not sure. But if they do, I will leave all those links in the description box, okay? So that is all that I have for you guys today. Until next time, peace.